Hi, welcome to Lanas y Ovillos. My name is Alba, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make the part number 5 of the MAKA blanket. This is the MAKA blanket. This is the simple version made with a 3.5 millimeters crochet hook. Here you can see another simple version made with a 5.5 millimeters crochet hook. You get a bigger blanket if you use a bigger hook. And this one is the extended version. This is for a single bed. This is a big blanket. You can find here the same graphics that you can find on the other blanket, but with some extra graphics. This is the extended version. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to make the part number 5 of the simple version. You can find the other parts of this blanket in my website. You can find the link on the description below. If you are new in this channel, remember to subscribe and click on the bell to receive the notifications of all my new videos. You can find the written pattern of the simple version with a chart and the written pattern of the extended version in my Ravelry store. You can find the link on the description below. Let's go now with a step-by-step of the part number 5 of the MAKA blanket. Start this part with the row 89, color A. We are going to make one single crochet on each stitch, one single crochet on each stitch on the row number 89. Row 90. One double crochet on each stitch. One double crochet on each stitch to the end of the row with the color B, one double crochet on the row number 90. Row 91. One single crochet on each stitch with the color A, one single crochet on each stitch on the row number 91. Row 92. You have to repeat 8 times 6 single crochet, two double crochet, and 5 single crochet, six single crochet, 2 double crochet, and 5 single crochet 8 times, and finish the row with 3 single crochet. Row 93, color A. Repeat 8 times 5 double crochet, four single crochet, four double crochet, repeat 8 times, 5 double crochet, 4 single crochet and 4 double crochet, and finish this row with 3 double crochet. Row 94, repeat 8 times, 5 single crochet, 4 double crochet, and 4 single crochet, repeat 8 times, 5 single crochet, 4 double crochet, 4 single crochet, and finish this row with 3 single crochet. Row 95, color A, repeat 8 times, 3 double crochet, 8 single crochet, and 2 double crochet, repeat 8 times, 3 double crochet, 8 single crochet, 2 double crochet, and finish this row with 3 double crochet. Row 96, repeat 8 times with a color B, 3 single crochet, 8 double crochet, and 2 single crochet. Repeat 8 times, 3 single crochet, 8 double crochet, 2 single crochet, finish this row with 3 single crochet. Row 97, with the color A, repeat 8 times, 1 double crochet, and 12 single crochet. Repeat 8 times, 1 double crochet and 12 single crochet. Finish this row with 1 double crochet and 2 single crochet. Row 98, repeat 8 times, 1 single crochet, 5 double crochet, two single crochet and 5 double crochet. Repeat 8 times, 1 single crochet, 5 double crochet, 2 single crochet and 5 double crochet. Finish this row with 1 single crochet and 2 double crochet. Row 99, color A, repeat 8 times, 6 single crochet, two double crochet, and 5 single crochet. Six single crochet, 2 double crochet and 5 single crochet 8 times and finish with 3 single crochet. Row 100. Repeat 8 times, 1 single crochet, 5 double crochet, two single crochet, and 5 double crochet. Repeat 8 times, 1 single crochet, 5 double crochet, 2 single crochet, 5 double crochet to the end, and at the end of the row 1 single crochet, 2 double crochet. Row 101, repeat 8 times, 1 double crochet and 12 single crochet. One double crochet and 12 single crochet 8 times and finish with 1 double crochet and 2 single crochet. Row 102. Repeat 8 times, 3 single crochet, 8 double crochet, and 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, 8 double crochet and 2 single crochet 8 times and finish this row with 3 single crochet. Row 103, color A, repeat 8 times, 3 double crochet, eight single crochet, and 2 double crochet. Repeat 8 times, 3 double crochet, 8 single crochet and 2 double crochet, and at the end of the row 3 double crochet. Row 104, repeat 8 times, 5 single crochet, four double crochet, four single crochet, repeat 8 times, 5 single crochet, 4 double crochet, 4 single crochet, and at the end of the row 3 single crochet. Row 105, repeat 8 times, 5 double crochet, four single crochet, and 4 double crochet, repeat 8 times, 5 double crochet, 4 single crochet and 4 double crochet, and finish this row with 3 double crochet. Row 106, repeat 8 times, with the color B, 6 single crochet, two double crochet, 5 single crochet, repeat 8 times, 6 single crochet, 2 double crochet and 5 single crochet, and finish this row with 3 single crochet. Row 107, 1 single crochet on each stitch, 1 single crochet on each stitch to the end of the row 107. Row 108, 1 double crochet on each stitch, 1 double crochet on each stitch on the row 108. On the row 109, 110 and 111, you have to make 1 single crochet on each stitch. Row 109 and 111, 1 single crochet on each stitch with the color A, and on the row 110, 1 single crochet with the color B. 3 rows with 1 single crochet on each stitch. Well, that's all. I hope you like it. Remember to subscribe and click on the bell to receive the notifications of my new videos. Remember that you can find the other parts of this blanket in my website. You can find the link on the description below. You can find also in my website hundreds of free crochet and knitting and amigurumi patterns. And as always, thank you for watching and see you on the next video.